Have you ever opened YouTube just to watch one video, and before you even tap anything, your phone is already playing previews, using mobile data, and draining your battery? Most people think that's just how YouTube works, but it doesn't have to. There are two YouTube settings that almost nobody checks, even though they can make a noticeable difference to your experience. The first setting automatically plays video previews while you're scrolling, which can use extra battery, mobile data, and device resources. The second setting controls whether other YouTube users can mention your channel or account in videos, posts, and comments. Both settings take less than a minute to change, and in this video, I'll show you exactly where to find them on both Android and iPhone. Let's start with the first setting. Have you ever noticed that when you open the YouTube app, videos begin playing automatically as you scroll through your home feed? You haven't even selected a video yet, but YouTube is already loading and playing previews. These autoplay previews can make browsing feel more interactive, but they also require your phone to load and decode video previews in the background. Depending on your device and connection, that can use additional battery power, consume mobile data, and make browsing more distracting because thumbnails are constantly moving. If you don't use this feature, turning it off is a simple way to reduce unnecessary background activity. Open the YouTube app, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the gear icon to open settings. Next, tap General. Now select Playback in Feeds. You'll see three options: always on, Wi-Fi only, and off. Personally, I recommend selecting off. If you still like preview videos, but only want them while you're connected to Wi-Fi, then choose Wi-Fi only. Once you've changed this setting, YouTube will stop automatically playing previews while you browse your feed, giving you a cleaner experience and potentially reducing unnecessary battery and data usage. Now let's move on to the second setting, and this is one that many people don't even know exists. By default, YouTube allows other users to mention your channel or account in certain places, such as video titles, descriptions, posts, or comments, depending on the available features. For many creators and users, this isn't a problem, but some people prefer not to be mentioned by strangers, spam accounts, or in content they don't want to be associated with. If that's your preference, you can change this setting in just a few seconds. Here's how. Now open Privacy. Look for the option called Allow Users to Mention Me. If you don't want other users mentioning your account, simply turn this option off. That's it. From now on, other YouTube users won't be able to mention your account where this setting applies, helping you reduce unwanted mentions and spam. Disabling autoplay previews can make browsing less distracting and may help reduce unnecessary battery and data usage, while reviewing your mention settings gives you more control over how your account can be referenced by other users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.